Hi guys, and happy Sunday. I hope you're having a beautiful, beautiful Sunday. We had another cloudy day. In fact, it rained on and off today quite a bit, but it didn't keep us from cutting the branches. This morning we went out for a little while. I told my neighbor I'd be back in the afternoon. So we went out. We went to the Dollar Tree, Gembro, Family Dollar, the thrift store, and we had a fun day. And then we stopped in the Rail Yard Tavern for lunch, and it was really great. And they had this beautiful, really outstanding collection of tap handles. And those are art in themselves, you know. A lot of them are really, really beautiful. And you know I love advertising pieces, so I'm always fascinated with tap handles. And their collection was amazing. Alright, so first up, let's start with, after I spoke to you yesterday, I got a package in the mail, and it was from DJ Trish. Another package from DJ Trish. It was very fun. Here are a few 45s that I think you'll enjoy. Some are oddities. I hope they inspire a new podcast. Happy summer, Trish. I don't lack inspiration, Trish. I lack time. So hopefully when I'm retired, I'll be raring to go with podcasts. And she gave me some great things. She gave me sauerkraut in hi-fi. Guckenheimer sauerkraut band. That is so fun. That is definitely an oddity. And it's a 2-record set. It's really fun. German songs too. Tinker Polka is on here. How fun is that? I love that. We got the Beach Boys, Surfing USA. We got the Sweet, Little Willie, very fun. And we got Steve Martin and the Toot Uncommons, King Tut. Of course I have it, but it's always fun, and it looks very clean, so. And it's such a great song. I really, really love that. So that was a really fun, unexpected surprise, Trish. Thank you very, very much. Very fun. And I'll definitely play them in the next podcast when I do have time to do that. Very fun. All right, so we went out early. We started out in the Dollar Tree. And I needed magic erasers, because those things are, to me, the most amazing thing ever made. They are, if you've never used a Mr. Clean magic eraser, you have to. They clean your bathroom like sparkling. They are the best thing I've ever used. And Dollar Tree, sometimes they'll have singular Mr. Clean magic erasers, and sometimes they have like their own brand, the Dollar Tree brand, or whatever it is, an off brand in packs of 2, and they're just as good. They honestly are just as good. So if you see them, they are remarkable. Grab them. They're so good. They clean porcelain like you wouldn't believe. Like I can wipe my sink out with that like 2 seconds. It's sparkling. It's just, they're amazing. They're amazing. So I needed those. I can't remember if I needed anything else. I don't think so. I really didn't need anything. My mom needed a couple things. So, and then we went to Gembro. And in Gembro, I got incense cones. These are, this scent is pine cone. Oh, it smells so good. I love the smell of pine cones and evergreens and anything like that. So it's pine cones, and it comes with a little burner, which of course I don't need, but it's really cute that it came with it. And I got incense sticks in the patchouli scent with a beautiful fancy burner. Very fun. Jumbo is like a cool little variety store, like a discount variety store, weird little store, an Arabic company, and there's a couple of them around us, and we find lots of fun things in there. Then we went to the thrift when they opened. We actually waited. We waited for 20 minutes for them to open because everything else opens at 9 or 10, and the thrift store opens at 11. So we waited in the car for them to open, and the line was building up just like at the Goodwill outlet. We were cracking up. I mean, there had to be 30 people online by the time the doors opened. It was incredible. So we found some really fun things there, a couple of fun things. I found this beautiful little metal flower. It's really cool. It's a little flower. I don't think you can see it in the bag. I think I got sawdust in my throat. Beautiful metal flower that you can hang. So this will be fence art or really cute. Look at that. It's all metal. It has a nice hanging hook on the back. Really cute. I love it. And I got, this was my favorite thing of the day because I know this is old. This is really, really beautiful. This is a good luck horseshoe with a horse's head in the middle. Me and my mother both fell in love with that. And I absolutely love it. Just a beautiful thing. I remember seeing things like this when I was a little kid in various gift shops and things. Just a beautiful old thing. My favorite thing of the day for sure. Then I found all guests must be approved by the dog. That's an absolute fun little fence art, right? And then I got this beautiful, I have one of these. But mine is like a painted tile, an enameled tile. This one is all just aluminum. Beautiful. I love this. Absolutely gorgeous. And there's two hanging things, just like the one I have. So you can hang it either square, straight on, or you can hang it this way. And that's how I have my other one hanging. Actually, I think the one I have is not enameled. It's bronze. It's painted bronze, like a brownie color. But this one's beautiful. This is going right on the fence. So I was pretty happy about that. So that was our thrift scores for today. This was my favorite thing. Very vintage, very beautiful. It's like metal cast iron, but it's very light cast iron. It's not heavy duty. Really cool. So, and that beautiful little flower, which will be adorable in a little spot somewhere to fill in. So we had a lot of fun, and the Rail Yard Tavern was really, really nice, and I really loved the taps, and they have their own brew. Rail Yard Tavern lager, I want to say, yeah, Rail Yard Tavern lager, and I tried that, and it was really, really good. So we had a good time. And then I took my mother to the garden center because she needed a flag holder, because I got her a flag. Just like that sign. I couldn't find that sign anywhere online. With the dogs. The one I got in the pharmacy when I got my shot. I couldn't find it anywhere. They had those signs and they had the holders, but they did not have the dog one. and it was called Dog Selfie. So when I put in Dog Selfie, the company that makes it, and Dog Selfie, it would come up with flags of that same image. So since I couldn't find the sign, I got her the flag. And so we stopped in the garden center and got a flag holder for it so she could put it in her garden, because she has a couple of flags in there already, and this one will just be, she needed another flag holder. So we did that. Then I came home. I wanted to be home by 1 so that I could help my neighbor. And we started on the yard shortly after that, and he just kept cutting and cutting and cutting. And I was like, please stop. Please stop, because I can't cut any more branches up. Because I was cutting them up as they you know, we gathered them up, gathered them into a pile, and I was cutting like all the little branches off and piling them neatly and throwing them in the back, because I can't stand piles of anything anywhere in my yard. And my landscaper comes tomorrow, and if I had all those piles of branches there, he wouldn't be able to do the backyard. So I knew that I would have to get those out of there. No matter how many we cut, I had to clear them out. But we got everything away from the house. There's a couple of branches that are hanging kind of over the deck stairs a little bit, which I would like to take down. And so I'll do that next week. I can't do any more today. I can't do any more today. I'm strong. I'm very, very strong. I mean, I can lift, carry, you know, a lot of stuff I can do. But eventually it will hurt my hip, the arthritis in my hip. And we worked from about 1:30 to 5. So 3.5 hours we worked, and it was fun. You know, we finished it, and everything is cut away from the house. So
Straight inside the crate.
see, that's amazing. Well, that's going to go fast, that one. And literally there were branches like laying on the roof. So we did really well, you know, and I have a feeling, because we cut a lot of stuff off the one side of the addition. So I have a great, I mean, when I when I looked up from my deck, I said, oh yeah, I'm going to have sun for more than 2 hours a day. Because I was getting sun for 2 hours a day on the deck between the branches. Like if there was one gap where it would stay for 2 hours, then it would go behind the other branches. So I looked up and I said, yeah, I'm going to have some good long sunshine days. I'm really excited. If we ever get sun again, I don't know. It's always cloudy, always raining, especially on the weekends. I don't know. It's crazy. So, you can't see him, but I got my little flamingo lit in the background here. He's so cute. So that was the day. I did get to hit the thrift down there. And we're going down there a lot more because there's a lot of stores down there my mother likes. You know, there's the Dollar Tree, there's the Family Dollar. Jembro is a good store. And where we live, you can't buy clothes on Sunday anywhere in our county. You can't buy clothes on Sunday. But Jembro down there in Hawthorne is in a different county. So we can buy t-shirts and you know, we can buy clothes. So I bought some underwear and I bought a little white shirt that's under here. And they have everything there. I also bought a case for my phone like this, so that when I put it in my, you know, when I put it in my purse, the screen doesn't get scratched and messed up. I used to have one of these, but I couldn't find it, so this is a good way to stick it in your purse, not to mess up your screen. So, because when I throw my keys in and stuff, I don't want to scratch the screen. So anyway, guys, that was the day. These were fun, Trish. That was the day, and we got all the branches cut away. There's one corner of the porch that the insurance company wants fixed, and my neighbor's going to do that too, because he's in the process of building a porch, because previous neighbors had a handicap ramp there and he took it away, thank God. And he's building a porch, and he's got, when he, you know, mixes the concrete and does that, he's going to come over here and fix mine. So the insurance company should be very happy with everything we did and not raise our rates. So so anyway, guys, I got a good workout for 2 days in a row and it felt really, really good. So that's it for me, guys. I hope you're having a magical, mystical, musical Sunday. I hope you're happy, healthy, safe, and secure wherever you are. Comment, subscribe, spread that love. Our weekend is over. How sad. Tink merch below, Radio Tink podcast link below. And until next time, remember, I love you all. Mwah.